Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by signing into OneDrive with the Microsoft account that holds your files, because the app ties storage and permissions to that identity. Once signed in, install or update the OneDrive client and enable files on demand if you want placeholder files to save space. Next, open Settings and choose which folders to sync: desktop, documents, pictures, or specific folders, so you control bandwidth and storage. This gets the sync process underway immediately while avoiding full drive transfers. Once the initial selection is set, you'll refine what stays local versus cloud only. Use the OneDrive Choose Folders dialog to uncheck heavy folders and watch the taskbar icon for sync progress. If network or CPU is strained, pause sync or set bandwidth limits in settings to prevent interference. This ensures predictable performance. For file conflicts, OneDrive offers both copies or version choices. Make sure to pick the version you edited most recently to avoid data loss. To finish, verify uploads in the OneDrive web interface and inspect version history for crucial documents so you're certain nothing was overwritten. If sync stalls, unlink and relink the account or use the OneDrive reset command to rebuild the database. This resolves most corrupted state issues. Make sure file names, special characters, or long paths aren't blocking sync, and check folder permissions when corporate accounts are involved. If problems persist, restart the client and try a targeted resync of affected folders.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.